How to fix Steam games slow downloading speed. First, open up your Steam app. Then, look at the top left corner of the window. Click on the Steam icon in the top left corner. Once you're in the Steam menu, look for the word Settings. It's usually near the bottom of the drop-down menu. Click on it. Now, you'll see a bunch of tabs on the left side of the Settings window. One of them is called Downloads. Give it a click. At the top of the download settings, you might see something about download speed. There's usually a box you can check to limit it. Uncheck that box. If you're someone who likes to play games while waiting for others to download, there's an option for that too. Make sure it's turned on. Another thing to look for is something about throttling downloads while streaming. Make sure that one's turned off too. Now, you'll see something about your download region. You want to pick one that's close to where you live. For example, if you're in the US, choose a US region. If all else fails, there's a trick to try. Scroll down until you see an option to clear download cache. Click on that and follow the instructions to clear it out. Steam will probably ask you to restart. Just click confirm and let it do its thing. Once everything's set up, try downloading a game again. Hopefully, it'll be much faster this time. Thanks for watching. Now you're armed with the know how to speed up those sluggish Steam downloads. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech tips. Happy gaming!